I don't want it. I don't want it. I want you to carry it over there and put it on the table. I know. Carry it over there, Marie Claire. Charlie, put it over here on this table. Marie Claire.
That's for Santa.
Yep. Help Marie Claire. Get those from Marie Claire. Put those up there. Don't spill them, Marie Claire. What are you? No, hold on. What are you doing? Uh-oh.
That's for Santa.
You want to take one, Marie Claire?
I want to take one.
Okay. Okay. Put those up there for Santa. Did you spill one?
I got one.
See it on the ground? Go get it.
I got one. You can see that one.
Did you see it, buddy? Now, who did you leave those for?
What?
Did you leave those for Santa up there? Okay.
Oh, you got to Santa.
Yeah, leave that for Santa too. He wants that one. Okay?